Hello everyone. Discrete time signal processing. MCQ. What is the magnitude frequency response of Butterworth filter of order n and cutoff frequency? Option A is the correct answer. What is the factor to be multiplied to the DC gain of the filter to obtain filter magnitude cutoff frequency? Option C. 1 divided by root 2. What is the value of magnitude frequency response of a Butterworth low pass filter? Option B is the correct answer. 1. What is the transfer function of magnitude squared frequency response of normalized low pass Butterworth filter? Option A, where the poles of the transfer function of normalized low pass Butterworth filter exceeds. Option C, 1 unit circle. What is the general formula that represents the phase of pole of transfer function of normalized low pass Butterworth filter of order n? Option D is the correct answer. Pi divided by nk plus pi divided by 2n, k equal to 0, 1, 2, 2n minus 1. Next question. What is the pass band edge frequency of analog low pass normalized filter? Option C, 1 dot per second. Next question. Which of the following rules is used in bilinear transformation? Option D is the correct answer. In bilinear transformation, the left of S-plane is mapped to which of the following in Z domain? Option D, entirely inside the unit circle. Modulus of Z equal to 1. Which of the following defines Chebyshev polynomial of order n, Tnx? Option A is correct answer. Cos n of cos inverse x for x. Next question. What is the expression for cutoff frequency in terms of passband gain? Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which is the lowest order of the Butterworth filter with a passband gain? Kp equal to minus 1 decibel at home p equal to 4 rad per second and stop band attenuation greater than or equal to 20 decibel at 8 rad per second. Option B, 5 is the correct answer. In IIR filter designed by the bilinear transformation, then the bilinear transformation is mapping for S plane to Z plane, S plane to Z plane. What is the order of Butterworth LPF if? Option D is the correct answer, n equal to 2. What is the order of Butterworth LPF if n equal to 2? Option B is the correct answer, n equal to 2. The IIR filter designing inverse. Option A, designing of analog filter in analog domain and transforming into digital domain. For a system function h of s to be stable, the zero lies in left half of an S-plane. The impulse invariant method is obtained by option A, sampling the impulse response of equivalent analog filter. The S equal to, see the equation, then what is the condition? Option B is the correct answer. As the value of frequency home tends to infinity or 0, the value t of 0 for even degree n plus or minus 1. The transition band is more in Chebyshev type 2 filter. Chebyshev polynomial of odd order. Chebyshev polynomial of odd orders or odd functions. The poles of Chebyshev filters are lies on the ellipse. The poles of the Butterworth filters are lies on circle. Just see the all question. Chebyshev polynomials are called odd function. The poles of Chebyshev filter ellipse. The poles of Butterworth filter lies on circle. The transformation technique in which there is one-to-one mapping from S domain to Z domain bilinear transformation method. The poles of the filter calculated from transfer function. Denominator polynomial. The pole h of s, h of minus s are found to lie on ellipse. Next question. The S plane and Z prime are related as Z equal to e power st, the value of Chebyshev polynomial of degree 0, 1. The Butterworth polynomial of order 3 is s square plus s plus 1 of s plus 1. The Butterworth polynomial of order 3 is s square plus s plus 1 of s plus 1. The Butterworth polynomial of order 1 is s plus 1. The Chebyshev filter is equivalent in pass band and mounting in stop band. True. H of j has monotonically increasing function of frequency. False. T of minus x equal to minus 1 Tn of x. Option A. True. IIR filter is designed directly. False. In bilinear transformation, aliasing of frequency component is avoided. True. Just to see all questions are very important. The S plane and Z plane are related to Z equal to e power st. The value of Chebyshev polynomial of degree 0 is 1. Butterworth polynomial of order 3 is s square plus s plus 1 of s plus 1. The Butterworth polynomial of order 1 is s plus 1. Ellipse. The pole of Butterworth filter lies on circle. The transformation technique in which there is one-to-one mapping from S domain to Z domain is bilinear transformation method. The polynomial of filter are calculated from denominator polynomial transfer function. The poles of the Chebyshev filter are lies on the ellipse. Chebyshev polynomials of off order are odd function. The transition band is more in Chebyshev type 2 filter. The value of Tn 0 for even degree plus or minus 1 as the value of frequency ohm tends to infinity, then h of j ohm tends to 0. Sampling. The impulse invariant method is obtained a sampling impulse response of equivalent analog filters. Sampling the impulse equivalent analog filters. Option A.